morning, guys. Bear rock.
Upper body strength and control in order to remain upright in the seat during accelerated right or left turns, quick acceleration, and quick deceleration. All guests must be able to fasten the restraint and remain seated upright, facing forward with their back against the seatbelt. Enjoy your Big Bear Mountain adventure.
Oh yeah, I want to get that. guys, so we just got off of Big Bear together. I rode it this morning since I'm the pass holder, the diamond pass holder. I had my ride today about 12:30, and then we had to wait for it to open up at 2:30. So we waited until after we saw Dolly, and then we headed up here and we got in line. About a 45 minute wait. Not that bad, but the line is much longer now. So it's at least an hour or more right now. But my thoughts on it, I rode it twice, and my thoughts on it is fourth best in the park. Like, I would rank it right around with Tennessee Tornado and Fire Chaser Express and Dragonflyer, in that range. My number one, of course, is Lightning. My number two is Wild Eagle. Three, what did I say my third one was? I can't remember now. No, wait, I think I did rank Tennessee Tornado next. No, Dragonflyer. Yeah, Dragonflyer. Okay, so Dragonflyer would be my third. I would say it's a close fourth to Dragonflyer, I would say. Just because it's such a long coaster, I think that really helps it. It's got great length and stuff. It's pretty exciting. It's fast. The seats are comfy. It's not like Fire Chaser Express or like a stunt track coaster or whatever at Kings Island, where when it shoots you out of the station, there's no backing. It's got a little bit of support back there. It could be better, but it's not horrible. And I think it's a great attraction for Dollywood. I think this was something we would ride at least once, maybe twice, every single time we come here, just depending on the line. What do you think?
Yeah, I agree. I think it's worth a shot, and I think it would be like the third one for mine.
Is number 3 for you?
Yeah.
How do you rank them?
From what?
Huh?
1 to 10?
One to 3.
Mine?
Yeah. What's your 1 and 2?
Well, of course, you know it's the Wild Eagle.
All right, so your Wild Eagle in front of your first one.
Yeah.
And Lightning Rod's my first, and Lightning Rod's your second.
And then I think I did maybe this.
And then you think so you like this one better than Dragonfly? Yeah. It's exciting. I think it's a decent coaster. I really had fun with it. I think the second time, where I had to ride by myself earlier today because she couldn't get in since I'm the pass holder, unfortunately. And then I hated riding without her, but I had to. And then riding the second time, I think it's fun. I really enjoy it. And yeah, this is definitely, like I said, it's a definite coaster that when we come down here, we would probably ride this every single time we come down here. I'm pretty sure at that point. Some things I don't think I do like. It's a family attraction, which is what they were going for. But I mean, I was kind of hoping that they would do the trains more like ATVs, where you're kind of like riding on them. I think that would be a better idea. I also thought Big Bear would be a great name for like a hyper or a Giga coaster, which I think Dollywood needs. But Dollywood is going for those family crowds, and this is a great family coaster. This is something that if you have kids that are maybe scared of most coasters, if they can ride Fire Chaser Express, they can ride this. It's not that bad. There's no big drops or anything. It's just a lot of speed. Like, it shoots you out of there, and yeah, it's just a lot of fun, I think. I also love helixes, so there's that. It's well themed. They did a great job theming the station, the queue line, the whole plaza. I think at this point they need to have it maybe from here, maybe go around Thunderhead so it comes out maybe around the front of the park. Because as of right now, this is the end of Wildwood Grove right here. You come out to this is it. Once you get off this, you have to go all the way back out. So there's one way into Wildwood, one way out, one way in, one way out. I think if they maybe did something, say from here around Dragonflyer, around Thunderhead, maybe come out down there, I think that would be a lot better. And then, kind of thin out the crowds a little bit so you not have the path all constricted and stuff, especially with a big new coaster back here. I think that's something they should probably get on maybe kind of quick if I was designing the park, which I'm not, but if I was. But yeah, that's our thoughts on Big Bear Mountain. Anything you want to add?
Well, the cars are a little small.
Okay, yeah.
Lengthwise.
I do feel a little constricted in the cars, and I'm not a big person, so there is that. You're a small person and you still thought it was a little constricted. So anything else? Yeah, I would agree with you. It's a little tight on them, but it's fun, and yeah, I'm pretty sure they have a car here somewhere where you can try it out in case you're wondering if maybe you won't fit. I don't remember seeing one, but I'm pretty sure they have one here somewhere. All right, but yeah, that's our final thoughts about Big Bear Mountain. So we're gonna head out to the park, maybe go eat and do some other stuff. But yeah, thanks for joining us today on taking a look here at Big Bear. And we'll see you in the next video, wherever you guys are in the world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.